experts. I told you I would be back, and I am back for more. I just came back from the Intuit Connect convention for accountants, and we have a lot of information to share with you. Intuit QuickBooks is completely redoing the entire software, and for those of you who are growing out of Intuit QuickBooks and thought that you would have to spend millions of dollars upgrading to the new NetSuite, QuickBooks has come up with a new solution, and that is called Intuit Enterprise Suite. And with this Intuit Enterprise Suite, you're going to be able to do a whole lot more than you were able to do before. I know that a lot of you are still in desktop because the QuickBooks Online did not offer the necessary features that you needed to move on. One of the things that you will be able to do with it is to manage multiple entities in one place. How big is that? So in the past, if you had multiple accounts or multiple companies, you would have to have a separate account for each of your companies, and you would have to build manually that consolidated financial. Now with the new Enterprise Suite, you'll be able to actually see everything consolidated. That's absolutely huge. Not just that, you'll be able to do transactions like a journal entry that would be applied across companies, and you were not able to do that either. So there is absolutely great features. One of the most significant features for construction is that now you will be able to track your projects a lot more thoroughly. So in the past, you were able to track your cost, but now there is a lot more to it, including being able to track the progress based on invoices already issued, or Intuit will be able to automatically issue the invoice once you hit a certain point on your project. So absolutely amazing features, including budgets. You'll be able to set a budget for the project and update that as you go along. So incredible if you're in construction or if you have any large projects that you want to manage the income, the inflows and the outflows, and obviously for you it's very important to know that information so you can adjust the charges or the contract in case you need. So you'll be able to track if you're making money or not making money and make adjustments right away. So those are absolutely amazing changes. And even if you don't have multiple entities, but you are growing out of QuickBooks because of the complexity of your business, before you just spend millions of dollars moving on to a ERP system, take a look at what QuickBooks has to offer. And obviously there's going to be updates as we go through this year. And if you're on desktop and you were reluctant about moving to QuickBooks Online, keep in mind eventually that desktop is going to go away. So I would say start working on upgrading right now to the new Intuit QuickBooks Enterprise and see what's available on that, what kind of features is available to you that would fit the need of your company. As you try it out, if there is anything that you wish you had on the Intuit Enterprise Suite, I would ask you to write down below and let me know what you would say to the main software engineer, if you could. And I'm gonna take this as high as I can and ask them to take a look at that and see, whatever questions you have, just put it down below. We're gonna address that and see if we can get some response from our friends on Intuit QuickBooks and give it to you. So I am excited to share that with you. I'm excited with what's coming next on Intuit QuickBooks. So obviously AI it's a big game changer, and you'll be able to do so much more with so much less. So that is the purpose of all this upgrade is making you as efficient as possible, and obviously you want to have the right information. So that's how all these new features is going to help you get your new information and know your point of reference. We always talk about the point of reference, knowing where you are so you can aim to where you want to go. And now you can aim to where you want to go using all the budgeting features that is coming up next with QuickBooks Online. Now, one thing that I have learned is remember tags. We were really sad when they said the tags is gonna go away, and it is going away. This new solution right now, it's available on QuickBooks Enterprise, and I wanted to talk to you about that. That solution is supposed to be an upgrade of tags and give you all the information. It's called script. And it's going to be available on Intuit Enterprise Suite, where you'll be able to track things like if you have short-term rentals, track each property. If you don't want to manage projects, but if you have certain things in your business that you want to track all the income and expense, so you will be able to do that with the new feature. Now, it's not available yet, fully available. A lot of those things are still being developed, but that's just a teaser to you. We're going to keep bringing all this information. So that's why we go and we get that. We go to Intuit Connect, we go to accountant conventions, so we can bring it to you and keep you up to date with what's going on. Obviously, if you have a business, you want to know those things, especially if you're growing so fast and you're getting to a point where QuickBooks Online Standard may not be offering you all the features you need to move your company forward. But now, yes, it's coming. So hold tight. This string is gonna take off. It's gonna take off fast. You wanna hold on tight, and we're gonna be here to give you all the instructions on all the new features on QuickBooks Online. So as many of you have noticed, the new interface has a lot to offer. We're going to walk you through on all that. So stay tuned. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, I would say please subscribe to our channel, because you don't want to miss out on what's coming with all the updates in QuickBooks Online. And if there are any features that you don't see currently and you'd like to see in all the updates, go ahead and write down below. Keep in mind that a lot of those features that are coming may not be available on all subscription. Sometimes it's only available on Plus or Advanced, or like I said, Intuit Enterprise Suite. All right. Thanks for watching. We hope to see you next time. And until next time, keep on smiling.